You wake up, step outside, and for the first time in years, your phone never leaves your pocket. No scrolling, no tapping, no screen stealing your attention. Instead, information simply appears where you're already looking. Messages hover gently in front of your eyes. Directions guide you down the street like they're part of the world itself. Calls, texts, music, and apps all work without you lifting a finger. This isn't a futuristic concept or a tech demo from a lab. These are real smart glasses you can buy right now, and they quietly changing how we live. For over a decade, our phones have controlled our attention. Heads down, eyes locked on glass. But smart glasses flip that relationship completely. Instead of pulling you out of the world, they layer digital information directly onto it. You're not escaping reality, you're upgrading it. And once you experience that shift, it's hard to go back. Take Wave, for example. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a clean pair of everyday glasses. No bulky headset. No awkward sci-fi design. Just something you'd actually want to wear outside. But the moment you put them on, you realize there's an entire AR system hidden inside the frame. The real world stays clear and natural, while crisp digital visuals float effortlessly in front of you. Menus feel anchored, movies feel massive, and games suddenly have depth. Thanks to a micro display and waveguide optics, everything feels light, balanced, and comfortable enough for all day wear. Wave doesn't scream future. It quietly proves that the future is already here. If Wave hints at what's coming, Imo Air 3 takes it a step further. These aren't just smart glasses. They're a wearable Android computer. The moment you put them on, your phone stops feeling essential. A sharp full-color display sits right in your field of view, powered by Sony Micro tech. You can speak naturally, and the built-in AI assistant responds instantly, handling tasks without any physical input. Apps download directly from the Inmo store and even Google Play, turning these glasses into a floating smartphone experience. There's a built-in camera for photos and video, and when it's time to work, you can open multiple virtual screens at once. No desk, no monitor, just productivity in thin air. Then there's Xreal One Pro, the pair that turns your surroundings into a personal cinema. Powered by a custom spatial computing chip, everything stays incredibly stable, even when you move quickly. With optional 6-degree tracking, your virtual screen locks into space as if it's physically there. The result is a massive screen floating in front of you, sharp, smooth, and unbelievably immersive. Movies feel theatrical, games feel intense, and thanks to built-in Bose-tuned audio, you don't even need headphones. Xreal isn't experimenting anymore. This is polished, ready-to-use AR that works with phones, PCs, consoles, and handheld gaming devices. Spectacles push things even further by removing the phone entirely. These aren't just displays. They're standalone wearable computers. Cameras and sensors constantly map the world around you, allowing digital objects to stay perfectly locked in place. The visuals adapt automatically to lighting, and the performance inside rivals traditional devices despite the compact size. Spectacles aren't about distractions or notifications. They're designed to help you explore, create, and interact with the world without breaking your focus. Instead of replacing reality, they enhance it in a way that feels surprisingly natural. TCL Ray Neo X2 focuses on everyday usefulness. These glasses look like normal eyewear, but inside they pack serious AR power. Navigation becomes intuitive, with directions appearing directly in your environment. Live translation turns face-to-face conversations into subtitled experiences, eliminating language barriers in real time. A hands-free camera captures life exactly as you see it, and private audio ensures everything stays personal. Rayneo isn't just selling hardware. They're rebuilding an entire AR ecosystem meant for daily life, not just tech demos. And finally, there's Vitcha Pro XR. Built for pure visual immersion. A massive virtual display sits in front of your eyes, with stunning brightness and smooth motion. Text stays razor sharp, even for long sessions. And built-in vision adjustment means many users won't even need prescription lenses. With electrochromic dimming, the outside world can disappear instantly, turning any space into a private theater. No TV, no headset, just cinema, wherever you are.